Welcome to aehelp.com's IELTS test preparation videos. I will now teach you 4 important strategies to start your IELTS speaking interview with a Band 9. I will also include examples by former candidates who score a Band 9 to show you just what to do. Again, we have partnered with Skillshare, a world-class platform that lets you choose from hundreds of different skills, all taught by professionals. Whether you're looking to improve your writing or communication in English, Skillshare has the right course for you, like how to succeed in learning a new language. I have been studying a course called Productivity with Purpose, so that I can bring you more videos and content to improve for the IELTS exam. Skillshare has given us a special link in the video description. The first 1,000 people to sign up via my link will get access to Skillshare Premium for 1 month for free. Now watch and learn. The first strategy to get a perfect Band 9 in Part 1 is to build confidence. It's okay to be nervous going into the exam, but you do want to be full of confidence as soon as you start speaking. In order to build your confidence, you should practice for the speaking interview months before your exam. Also, arrive to the exam center an hour before the start time of your speaking interview. Take a couple of speaking scripts with you. Find other candidates waiting for their exam and ask them to practice with you. When you meet with the examiner, imagine that the examiner is like your grandfather or your grandmother. Visualize this. It's a person who loves you, cares for you, and does not judge you. You have to speak loud and clearly so Grandpa and Grandma can understand you. Use the icebreaker questions to build your confidence. When the examiner asks you for your passport and for your name, whether you work or study, remember to speak in full sentences, loud and clear. This will really build your confidence going into the Part 1 questions. Again, make sure to practice this before your exam. Listen to how these Band 9 candidates use these icebreaker questions and give clear, full sentence answers. And what is your full name?
My first name is Madina and my family name is Sayadova. Please call me Madina.
Okay, Madina. May I see your identification?
Yes, my pleasure. Here's my passport. Please take a look.
Thank you. How did you come to this exam?
I came here by car. My friend picked me up at my place and dropped me here 30 minutes before the scheduled interview time.
How will you go back home?
The same way. My friend agreed to take me home. I just need to send her a text message.
Strategy number 2. Part 1 is going to be all about you. The examiner will ask questions on a general topic like sports and hobbies. These questions will be asking about your life and your experiences. Keep this in mind. Make sure that when you answer Part 1 questions, you use the pronouns I, me, my. Do not use the words you and people. You are not talking about the examiner, and you're not talking about people in general. Keep it personal, first person. If the examiner asks, what is your favorite sport? Answer, my favorite sport is football, because I get to hang out with my friends and get a good workout. I played a couple of games last week and I had lots of fun. This is what you need to do to get that Band 9. Again, watch these candidates who score a Band 9 do just that. Let's talk about daily life. What do you usually do for fun?
There are a few activities I do for enjoyment. I like hanging out with friends and family. I like going to the movies or going for a swim. Just yesterday I swam for an hour or so and I had a really good time.
How often do you use English?
I use English on a daily basis, whether I'm talking to my international friends or colleagues, using social media, or watching some shows. I'm constantly using English.
Strategy number 3. In part 1, use the questions the examiner is asking you in your answers to give really complete responses and make sure to paraphrase what the examiner is asking you. For instance, if the examiner is asking you, "What is your favorite sport?" you can answer, "The sport that I love the most is football, because I get to hang out with friends and get a good workout. I just played a few games last week and had lots of fun." Notice how I started by paraphrasing the question and using the full question in my answer. Once again, this will really bump up your fluency score. Make sure to practice this. Watch how these candidates do just that to score a band 9. Who do you like spending time with?
I like spending time with my family and friends. I have few friends that I've grown up with and we are quite close. I spend at least a couple of hours with my good friend Leila. Just before coming to this exam, we had a really good chat on WhatsApp. She helped me to do some last-minute practice.
How have learning languages changed?
Studying languages has changed a lot in the past few decades because of considerable improvement in technology and rapid globalization. It has become much more possible to study from native speakers of a language, both locally and through the internet. I've studied a lot of English with native tutors and using apps.
Strategy number 4. Throughout part 1, when the examiner asks you a question, make sure to include the answer, an explanation, and a smooth flowing example. You might have realized that I've been doing just that for the past 2 strategies. When the examiner asks me, "What is your favorite sport?" I start with the answer. "The sport I love the most is football." I continue with an explanation. "Because I get to hang out with my friends and I get a good workout." Then I finish with a smooth example. "I played a couple of games just last week and I had tons of fun." Don't include "for instance" or "for example." Examiners are scared that you will speak too long and go off topic. Just give the example. Watch how these students who score a band 9 do just this. Who do you usually spend your free time with?
I spend my free time by myself or with my friends. A couple days ago, I hung out with 2 of my friends for most of the day, catching up and doing shopping.
Let's talk about languages. Why do people learn languages?
Well, the primary reason for people to study languages is to communicate with others. Within this, people acquire languages for work and studying and living in foreign countries. I've learned English so that I can do my higher education in the UK.
For many more video lessons like this one, including over 100 hours of HD videos, a fully interactive course, and original practice exams, visit and join our premium package at aehelp.com. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access, and it's well worth it to improve your band scores. Good luck the next time you sit your IELTS exam. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.